Have you ever wished we could bring back creatures lost to history? Imagine walking beside a woolly mammoth or seeing a giant bird that once ruled the skies. Welcome to Stories TV documentary, one. I'm Venant, and today we're diving into 5 extinct animals scientists are trying to bring back to life. Stay with us till the end, because the last one might just change the future of humanity. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, like this video, share it with friends, and comment below what extinct animal you would want to see return. Let's begin this fascinating journey. 1. The woolly mammoth. Picture a vast, icy landscape. It's here that the woolly mammoth once roamed. These gentle giants, with their thick fur and huge tusks, were perfectly adapted for the cold. But as the climate changed, so did their fate. Now scientists are working on bringing them back, not just for the wonder of it, but for the good of the planet. You see, they're using preserved DNA from these frozen carcasses found in Siberia. It's like having a time capsule from thousands of years ago. Their plan is to edit the genes of elephants, a mammoth's close relative, to make them cold-resistant. Imagine an elephant that can survive in the freezing cold. That's how they'll create a mammoth-elephant hybrid. And guess what? They're almost there. It's hoped that these new mammoth-like creatures will help restore ecosystems like the Arctic tundra that have been damaged by humans. So from the frozen north, let's travel to an island paradise where a flightless bird met its end. 2. The dodo bird. Meet the dodo, a bird that's become a symbol of extinction. It's the perfect example of how human actions can impact an entire species. Originally from the island of Mauritius, it went extinct in the 1600s. Why? Well, sailors hunting for food or invasive species introduced to the island played a part, but the main reason was habitat destruction caused by humans. The dodo became a tasty meal for hunters, and with no predators on the island, it couldn't defend itself. But now scientists are working to bring it back, but not in its original form. They're using DNA from its closest living relative, the pigeon, to create a dodo-pigeon hybrid. If successful, it would be a first, bringing back an extinct animal through genetic engineering. It's a big deal. 3. The Tasmanian tiger, thylacine. Here's a creature that looks straight out of a fairy tale, the Tasmanian tiger. Also known as the thylacine, it looked like a wolf with its bushy tail and grey fur. But here's the twist. It was a marsupial animal, meaning it carried its babies in a pouch like a kangaroo. This made it unique and pretty adorable too. Sadly, it was officially declared extinct in 1936. The last thylacine died in captivity. In Australia, it was hunted for being a pest on farms. Today, scientists are trying to bring it back by mapping its genome. They hope to understand why it went extinct and find ways to protect other endangered species from a similar fate. 4. The terror bird. Now let's turn up the heat with a truly terrifying creature. The terror bird, also called Forus racidae, lived in South America. These massive flightless birds were the apex predators of their time. Just imagine a bird that can't fly, but runs at 40 miles per hour. Yeah, that's fast. And their beaks were deadly weapons, capable of crushing bones with ease. These birds stood up to 10 feet tall. That's taller than most humans. Scientists are intrigued by the fragments of their DNA, and the idea of bringing such a creature back to life is fascinating. But it's also a huge challenge. 5. The saber-toothed cat. Finally, we come to one of the most iconic predators of the Ice Age, the saber-toothed cat. This fierce hunter had massive canine teeth that could grow up to 12 inches long. It was a powerful build and a fearsome roar. Its fossil remains have been found in places like California's La Brea tar pits. Scientists have managed to recover its DNA from these fossils, giving hope for a possible resurrection. But here's something to think about. Would this cat be able to survive in today's world, or would it be better off staying in the past? And there you have it. 5 incredible extinct animals scientists want to bring back. From mammoths to saber-toothed cats, each one holds the power to reshape our world for better or worse. A huge thank you to our amazing community, those who subscribed, shared our last videos, liked and commented. You are the heartbeat of our channel, and you're helping us reach people across the globe. Thank you for joining us on this journey through time. We're bringing you the best documentaries to expand your knowledge and ignite your curiosity. So don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, like, share, and drop a comment. Which animal would you bring back if you had the chance? We love you all. And remember, we upload new educational documentaries every single day. I'm Vinant saying goodbye-bye. See you again in the next video.